So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket and Z.ai. The team behind GLM has released a new version of GLM, that is GLM 5.1. It has trillions of tokens, 784 billion parameters, and it's completely open sourced. Unfortunately, you and me don't have this much of GPU to run this locally. So how to run the model for free? We would be running it using Ollama. So first of all, the model is also available on Z.ai, as you can see on my screen. GLM 5.1 new model on Z.ai, where you can go and chat with the model for free. But as you are interested in Ollama, we'll be testing that out first. So this is my Ollama page. GLM 5.1 is open, and you don't require GPU to run this code. GLM 5.1 is our next generation flagship model for agentic engineering with significant stronger coding capabilities than its processor. It achieves state-of-the-art performance on SW Bench Pro and leads GLM 5 by a wide margin. So here you can see that the model is free to use using Ollama 2, and this is the Python code that I'm using to run the model. So let's get started. Here you can see that Ollama import chat. First of all, you need to pip install Ollama. Do you remember that? And you need to have Ollama also running in the background. So once that is done, just run this command chat model GLM 5.1 cloud. Message is this and response. Hello, how can I help you today? The model is available for free to use using Ollama 2, and you don't require even GPU for running this. Now even the model can use using Z.ai also and using Ollama also, but as model size is huge, running it locally is not possible, so we are using the cloud version. As you can see, GLM 5.1 cloud, this is quite instant. Let me try out another prompt to tell me about yourself. So let me hit enter. Even the inference type is not that bad, I would say. It's quite short only, given the model is available for free on cloud. So some of your data might be going to Ollama, but still, I think if you're not working on anything private, this is your go-to model to use in your local system now using Python, because now you have got it for free from Ollama. The cloud models are a great upgrade on Ollama that you can use. So this is taking a few minutes. Let's see how what long output it is able to give us. I should have entered a smaller round, but yeah, no worries. Let's see how much time does it take to respond. So I think GLM 5.1 was released just recently alongside Claude Mythos. Though Claude Mythos took the majority of the limelight, I think it was a bigger release, to be honest, because it's been open source, and the developer community gets help from the open source community more. As you can see here, I am GLM, a large language model developed by Z.ai. It is giving the different details. It is also throwing out some Chinese text, as GLM is from China. So these are expected things, but still the model looks good on the benchmarks. You can try it out for free on Ollama using the cloud version. Thank you so much.